Ending feuds with words, the power of peaceful resolution. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the intricacies of the English language to help you learn and understand it better. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's packed with history, emotion, and a strong message of reconciliation. Let's end the feud. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into how language can be used to foster peace and understanding. So, let's get started. Let's end the feud is a call to action that suggests stopping a prolonged dispute or conflict, typically between two parties. The word feud refers to a prolonged and bitter quarrel or conflict, often between families, organizations, or groups, marked by repeated acts of retaliation. When someone says, "Let's end the feud," they are proposing to put an end to this ongoing conflict and seek a peaceful resolution. It's a powerful statement that emphasizes forgiveness, moving forward, and rebuilding relationships. Feuds have been a part of human history for centuries, often depicted in literature and folklore. From the famous Montagues and Capulets in Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet to real-life family feuds like the Hatfields and McCoys in the United States, these disputes have shaped narratives and histories around the world. Understanding the historical context of feuds helps us appreciate the depth and significance of wanting to end such conflicts. It's not just about stopping arguments. It's about healing deep, historical wounds. Ending a feud can lead to numerous positive outcomes. It fosters peace and understanding, promotes healing and reconciliation, and can even prevent future conflicts. By choosing to end a feud, individuals or groups take a significant step towards building a more harmonious relationship. This concept is essential in both personal growth and the development of societies. It teaches us the value of empathy, forgiveness, and the strength it takes to say, "Let's move past this." In everyday life, you might not find yourself in the middle of a historic family feud, but the phrase can still be relevant. It can be used in personal disagreements, workplace conflicts, or even in arguments among friends. Saying, "Let's end the feud," is a mature way of acknowledging a disagreement and expressing a genuine desire to resolve it. It's a phrase that can transform a potentially negative situation into an opportunity for growth and understanding. We hope this exploration of the phrase, "Let's end the feud," has given you insight into its meaning, history, and the powerful impact it can have on personal and communal relationships. Language is a tool for communication, but it's also a bridge to understanding, reconciliation, and peace. Next time you find yourself in a disagreement, remember the power of these words and the positive change they can bring. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you learn more about the beautiful nuances of the English language in our next video.